Yo. First 30 minutes in, and all I've gotten is Uber orders that are like $3 going 10 miles. So, yeah, no first order yet. I guess that time change really did mess everything up. Everyone's probably still asleep. I should have stayed asleep. We're about 45 minutes in, and we finally got something. Got a shop and deliver for Safeway, $12 going 5 miles, 6 items. Okay, we're about an hour in now and only have that one order under our belt. Not good, but hopefully people start waking up soon. Oh, we just got the next one. This is 2 Walmart orders, $14 going 6 miles. This one is kind of a gamble, as with all Walmart orders, but if they come out quickly, this should be pretty decent. Looks like I'm the third car here, and one of them is already being loaded as I pulled in. So this might be ready for me, actually, as soon as they're done. Man, I knew it was going to be slow today, but I did not expect it to be this bad. I think we're about 2 hours in, and we are 1 hour behind pace. So, yeah, not good. It's been about 25 minutes since that last clip that you guys saw, and I just now got an order. This one is on Earn by Time now. Current rate is $18 an hour, and this one's going across the river, but like, I guess that's better than sitting around doing nothing. This one is Nectar Juice Bar going, I think it's at 8.5 miles.
Thank you.
Thank you. Total for that order was $12. Just got back into my zone and we got an order. Thankfully. Probably not going to be a good one, but it's something. We got a Seize the Bagel going, I think it's at 4 miles.
You're set. Have a good day.
You too.
What number are you looking for?
284.
Think right there.
Thank you.
Think.
Yeah.
284?
Yeah. Total for that order was just under $9. Okay, that was actually pretty decent. And we got the next order right away. This is a McDonald's going 2.5 miles. Thank you. You too. Yes, that one did say leave by main door. I'm not just being lazy. And there was no tip on that, so maybe being lazy isn't such a terrible thing. Total for that was $3 and change. This is gonna be like the shortest video ever. I am not making any money today. I mean, at this point, I might as well just go home, right? Current time is 9:32. Total, we ended up with 51 smackaroos. That is insane. Probably one of the worst days I've ever had. I thought the apps were down or something, but I honestly don't know. I don't know what's going on. Anyways, I'm gonna go home, so that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.